Hi, this is David and Kelly, and welcome to our home. So Kelly, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, what's that time again? It's time for the big question. And this week we have people asking us, now that I have an inspection report, what happens next?
That's a great question. And today we have a special guest with us. This is Isaac Smith. He's with Home Done Right, and he's an inspector. So I'm going to pitch that question to you, Isaac.
Yeah, so what I always encourage clients to do is definitely read the entire report. Home Done Right, we make a really simple and easy to read report. It's very user friendly, and so definitely read it. And then after they've read it, create a list, kind of two separate lists. One would be the honey-do list, right? Like replacing the air filters and recaulking the showers and stuff like that. Really simple stuff. And then on the other side of that would be maybe more of the major concerns or things that are really concerning to the buyers. And so working with quality agents like David and Kelly is advantageous to the client because they'll have someone who represents them who can address their concerns on their behalf.
Yeah, that's really good information. I appreciate you being here, Isaac. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Well, if you have a topic for our video series, feel free to leave us a message down below. We would love to hear your feedback. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next big question.
See ya.
So Kelly, you ready?
I'm ready.
You ready? Okay, it's
Sorry, start over. I was distracted. Can you turn the coffee pot off?
we have a flood.
We have a flushing of the
Flush
toilet.
in the bathroom.
Common thing in an inspection.
For the evaluation, take 1, 3.
Sorry, I had to burp. I've been having to burp for like 30 minutes, and it finally just surfaced.
It finally just came out. Let's do it.
Sorry. Did you get a thumbnail, by the way?
And that wasn't me.
Yeah, it's become a habitual phrase.
Smile at the camera.
Well, we didn't get that.
Welcome to our home.
Hey!
Hey!
Right?
Welcome! Welcome!
All right, here we go.
That's a great question, and we have a special guest here today. This is Isaac Smith. He's with Home Done Right.
I was thinking about life.
You need to take a walk.